Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine there. I want to tell you one thing. For example, in classroom, if the one person is a bad person, he spoils everyone. He disturbs each and every person in that class. And that other people also trying to become worse and worst. Yes, this class, again they disturb to other person. Next other class, all throughout the class, throughout the school. If one person does wrong thing, which means the parents, the person who has the parents, they get bad name. In the same manner, even in school also, if the one person, one student makes the mistake, then bad name comes to school also. Each and every person it comes it. Even if you do good thing, if you do the good thing, and the name comes to school, good name comes to school. Just imagine that. Here is one story about a little girl and class teacher who brings changes in her, not in her, throughout the world. She brings the changes. Let us see that how she brings the changes. The lesson name is The New Blue Dress. The New Blue Dress. The New Blue Dress. Let us see that page number 19. Look into your book, everyone, and listen. When spring came to the city of Cleveland in 1909, it did not change Gate Avenue. Spring, what it means spring? Spring means it is between, or the season between winter and summer. That is called spring season. We can say spring season. The season between winter and the summer. That is the spring. When spring came to city of Cleveland, it is a city, Cleveland, it is happened in 1909. It did not change Gate Avenue. That Gate Avenue is the place. It did not change it. How it was before, in the same manner it was. It did not change nothing. People who lived on the pretty streets near Gate Avenue were making gardens and painting their houses. But the people who were living near to the Gate Avenue, so what it was lived on the pretty streets near the Gate Avenue. The people who are living near to the Gate Avenue, how this one streets were very pretty, very neat, and they were making gardens and painting their houses. Who were making the paint? Who were making gardens and paintings? The people who were living near to the Gate Avenue. But what happened here? But the Gate Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. See that? How it was looking? The Gate Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. Dirty and ugly in such a manner. You see that? It did not change it. Gate Avenue was a short street. What is it? Gate Avenue was a short street, but it seems longer because it was so ugly. But it seems longer means it's not at all good because it was so ugly. The people who go there, you may not stay one day also, 1 minute also, 2 minutes. Why? Because the people were so ugly, not neat. Yes. Most of the families who lived there had very little money. Most of the family who lived in Gate Avenue, they had very little money. They had only very little money. They had it. They never expected to have any more. Yes, these people know, these families know, they never expected to have any more. Not much. Whatever they have, that only means very little they have it. So whatever the money they have it, with that they wanted to satisfy. Their houses had not been painted for many years. Whose whose houses? They the Gate Avenue. The Gate Avenue places not had been painted for many years. See that if you won't clean your houses, if you won't paint your houses, it doesn't look good. At least once in a year we have to paint the houses, clean the houses. Then only it looks very neat manner. So who are living in the Gate Avenue, their houses are not been painted for many years. Not one day, 2 day, 1 year, 2 day, and 3 years. For many years they did not paint it. They did not even have running water. Running water means what we call running water. Running water means here water coming from the main supply. The main supply. When taps are turned on. So from municipality we get it. From municipality the water we get it, and when you open the tap and we get the water. That is the so these people who are living in the Gate Avenue, they did not have even a running water. Yes, the street itself was ugly too. The street itself looking like very ugly. Ugly means not looking good. Very dirty mess. Okay. There was no payments. Payment means a footpath. Payments means footpath. Payment means a footpath. There was no payments at all. There was no street light. Even street light also they don't have. And the railroad at the end of the Gate Avenue. So, in the railroad at the gate of the Gate Avenue had a noise and dirt. Noise and dirt. Dirty means not at all neat. Everything looking ugly, dirty. And the end of the Gate Avenue had such a noise there. And even dirty also there is. The other girl in the school near Gate Avenue wore new and pretty clothes that spring. What happened to the other girls in the school near to the Gate Avenue? Okay, so how they were? They wore new dresses, new pretty, very beautiful dress, pretty clothes. That springtime, that spring they wore it. But what happened? But the little girl from Gate Avenue still wore the dirty dress, and that she had worn all winter. But what happened? The girl who was there in Gate Avenue, the girl from Gate Avenue still wore the dirty dress. Still she wore the dirty dress. Why she wore the dirty dress? That she had worn all the winter. Maybe she might have only one dress. So because of that reason, she only won all winter in that place. Probably means maybe that was the only dress she wore it. Probably means maybe that was the only dress she wore. She had it. That's the reason she was going on wearing. She was going on wearing that same dress. If I wear same dress daily without washing clothes, without combing, without taking bath, if I come to your classroom, will you accept me? You may not accept. Even myself also do not accept you, isn't it? But what happened here? Her teacher was very unhappy. By seeing the little girl wearing the same dress daily, the teacher was very unhappy. Maybe class teacher maybe. She was very unhappy by looking at her. The little girl was so nice. The little girl was so nice. She always worked hard in school. She always worked very hard. She was always friendly and polite. She was always friendly and polite to each and every person. She doesn't hurt anyone. She didn't hurt anyone. She was a nice person. Okay. Her face was dirty. Her face was dirty and her hair was untied. Untied means not neat. Tidy means neat. Untidy means not neat. Not neat. Okay. So how her face was looking very dirty and her hair was untidy. Maybe she may not comb herself. Daily she comes like that without washing face, without combing her hair. She comes to school like that only. She was very, she was not looking. She was looking untidy, not neat. But anyone could see that she was pretty under dirt. But if anyone asked it, you could ask that anyone could see that she was pretty, very nice, but under the dirt. Even though she was dirty, but she was looking somewhat pretty. If she washes her face, then she looks very neat. If combs her hair, she looks very beautiful. One day, the teacher said, what teacher said? Won't you wash your face before before you come to school tomorrow morning? So one day, the teacher asked this little girl, won't you wash your face before you come to school tomorrow morning? She asked the question to the little girl. Please do that just for me, just for my sake. Just you wash your face and comb your hair and come. Who said these words? The teacher said to little girl. The next morning, the child's pretty face was clean and her hair tidy. See here, the next morning, how she was looking, the child's her face was looking very neat. Even she combed neatly. She was tidy means very neat manner she came it. Before the little girl went home that afternoon, the teacher said, that afternoon when she washed her face and when she combed her hair neatly, she was looking very nice. She was very neat, very tidy means very neat. She was looking. In the same manner, that afternoon when she was leaving that school, the teacher said to her, now, dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress. What she asked her? Now, dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress. Who was this word? The teacher asked the little girl. Yes. But the girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. But the girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. Yes. Her mother is probably not interested in her. The teacher thought it. What about even the teacher asked the little girl, when you commit, you wash your clothes and come tomorrow. When she asked her, and what she asked your mother to wash your clothes and come tomorrow. Who said this word? The teacher said. But even teacher asked the little girl. See, in the next morning, she came the same dirty dress. The same dirty dress only she came. Oh, sorry. Her mother is probably not interested in her. What the teacher thought that maybe her mother was not interested in her. Because of that reason only, she was coming same manner. The teacher thought. So, she bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. So, when she was not washing her dress, she felt it, and then immediately she bought. Who bought that? The teacher bought a bright blue dress and gave it to little girl. Who gave the dress to little girl? The teacher gave. What kind of dress it is? A bright blue dress, and she gave it to little girl. Who? The teacher only gave it to little girl. The child took the gift eagerly and rushed home. See that? The child took the gift eagerly and rushed home. Rushed home means immediately she went home. Who went home? The little girl. She took the little dress and then went home. The next morning, she came to school in the new blue dress. What happened? The next morning, she came to school in the new blue dress. Who came that? The little girl. And she was very clean and tidy. She was very clean and tidy, neat. When she wore that new blue dress, how she was looking? She was looking very neat manner, very clean manner, tidy. Yes. She told her teacher. The little girl told her teacher, my mother couldn't believe her eyes when she showed me this morning in my new dress. What the little child was expressing, and she was telling to a teacher, my mother couldn't believe her eyes. Why? Because when she saw me in this morning in my new blue dress, she was very happy. She couldn't believe that. See that? My father wasn't at home. So his father was not there at home. But he will see me at supper tonight. Maybe he may see that in supper tonight. Supper means night. When we eat dinner, no? In dinner time, my father may see in my new blue dress. She was full of excitement. Full of excitement. Excitement means full of happy. Full of happy. Excitement is nothing. Full of happy. Who was full of happy? The little girl was happy. Why she was happy? Because she wore new blue dress. Who gave the new blue dress to little girl? The teacher only gave the new blue dress to little child. When her father saw her in new blue dress, he was amazed to find that he had a very pretty little girl. Yes. When her father saw her in the new blue dress, he was amazed. Amazed means surprised to see. Surprised to find that he had a very pretty little girl. Who thought that the father thought that he had a very pretty little girl. When the family ate supper, night, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. So when they ate supper, he saw that he was very surprised to see a cloth on the kitchen table. It was there in that kitchen, dirty cloth. That's whose dirty cloth that is. Maybe that she wore daily, no? That dirty dress that was ugly. It was looking very ugly. It was there on the kitchen table. The family had never used a tablecloth before. The family had never used a tablecloth like that before. They did not use it. It was very dirty. We are going to begin to be tidier here. We are going to begin to be tidier. Tidy means very neat here. We are going to clean out. His wife said. Who said that? His wife said it. I am ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean. See that? I am ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean. Who said these words? Her mother said it. So she wanted to clean her house very neat manner. After supper, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor. After supper, what happened? The mother began to wash kitchen floor. Her husband was silent for several moments. Husband, no? Father, no? He was observing several moments what she was doing. So, then he went outside and began to repair the fence. Immediately, he went outside by watching that what his wife was doing. He observed it, silently observed it. Then went outside and he began to repair the fence. Fence means wall. Fence means wall. wall. Yes, he began to repair the fence. The next morning, with the help of with the family's help, he began to make a garden. The next morning, what happened with the help of the families? Okay, she began to make a garden. Who began to make garden? Father and whole family. They began to make the garden. During the following week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing. Yes, normally you see that uh, villages, you see villages especially when somebody does new thing, and somebody if you buys a new buy TV or whatever maybe, they observe each and everything. The next house they observe each and everything, and also they began to they also wanted to buy. They also want to buy same TV. So they will be very eager to buy the new TV. In the same way, so the next house, the following week they watched it. 1 week they watched what these people were doing. Neighbors, no, they watched it. The next watched what his neighbor was doing. Neighbor means these people. What these people were doing. Neighbors, they watched it in such a manner. And by the end of the week, what happened? The man began to paint his house. Next house, no? He also began to paint house. For the first time in 10 years. For the first time, 10 years he painted that house. Just imagine that. By watching these people, what these people were doing, they watched it. Neighbors. They watched and they also began to paint the houses. It is for the first time. After 10 years, it was the first time they painted. Just to imagine that. A few days later, the young minister of the church near Gate Avenue passed the two houses and saw two men working. A few days later, what happened? The young minister of church means the one who in charge of the church. Young minister means here the in charge of the church near Gate Avenue. He was passed by these two houses, and he saw that these men were working on that. He observed it. Who observed that? The young minister of a church, the in charge of the church, the father, priest. You can say priest. He observed each and everything. What these two families were doing. He observed it. For the first time, he noticed that there was no pavement on Gate Avenue and no street lights and no running water. For the first time, the minister of the church, for the first time he noticed that there was no pavement. Pavements, footpath, street light and running water. He observed it. Who observed that? The young minister observed it. So people who are trying so hard to make decent homes here deserve help. What the young minister thought that people who are trying to do so hard and to make decent homes, when they wanted to make a decent homes, so they deserve help. Deserve means a need. Deserve means a need. Deserve means a need. What they need? They need help. Who need help? These two families, they need help. Why? Because they are working so hard and they want to live in a respectable life, decent life, and they want to make decent homes. So that only they deserve. They means here these two families deserve. Deserve means they need help. The minister thought in this manner. So he asked some important citizens in the city to help them. Who was the young minister? He asked some important citizens. So rich people, no, the people who are living in the city, rich people. He asked help for those two families, not two families, but the street. Okay, to help them. A few months later, because of the young minister, because of the church father, there was a payment on Gate Avenue. Because of this young minister, he asked help from the citizens. Citizens means the who are living in the city, rich people. He asked help from them, and then he helped this Gate Avenue. And because of this young minister, there was a pavement. Not on pavement, there were street lights on the corner. There was street light on the corner, and houses had running water. Even houses had also running water. See that because of that little child, because of the teacher, because of the new blue dress, this all changes came to in that gate avenue. 6 months after, the little girl got her new blue dress, and here when she got new blue dress, after 6 months, this all changes came. The young minister came and he noticed each and everything how these people are working for and they deserve money. So everything changes came and he helped those people, and they had running water, street lights, and even they had the what they have payments also they have it. Just imagine that because of after getting blue dress, after getting new blue dress, this all changes came to on that place. Gate Avenue had become a tidy street. How now it is? The Gate Avenue now very tidy. Tidy means very neat. Very neat. Tidy street where respectable citizen live. Respectable citizen live in that place now. Now it was looking very neat manner. Very beautiful. The street itself looking like beautiful. How it was beginning? It was so ugly, untidy, but it was nice because of the teacher, because of the girl's family changed it, and beside the neighbors also they changed it. Not only that beside the house and throughout the street they change it. When people in other place heard the story of Gate Avenue, yes, when the people in other places heard the story of Gate Avenue, they heard it, and I told if something happens and it goes to for each and everyone, the news passes to each and everyone. In the same manner, when it was a very neat manner, when it was so neat, and this story heard throughout the places, other places also they heard about the story about Gate Avenue, and they also began to organize their own cleanup campaigns. Even when they heard this kind of story, and those people also they began to organize they also started to do their own cleanup, like campaigns. Campaign means series of campaign means here series of planned activities to do something. So they also started to do their own cleanup campaigns since 1913. It was since 1930 they also started to do it. Not only that one, other places, even more than 7,000 towns, and cities have organized campaigns for painting and repairing homes and make better lives for the people who live in them. Not only other places, but even more than 7,000 towns and the cities, they also started to organize campaigns. For painting their houses, making repairing their houses, whatever may be. Why? To make better lives for the people who live in them. So they who wanted to live in that place, they also started to do each and everything. Yes. Who knows what will happen when a teacher gives a little girl a new blue dress? Nothing. We don't know how it changes. When it changes, we also do not know. Who knows what will happen when teacher gives a little girl a new blue dress? No one knows. But it changed completely. Not only their places, even other places. Even how many towns? More than 7,000 towns and the cities. They also started to organize their own campaigns. Means painting their houses, cleaning their houses, fencing their houses, each and everything they do it. Okay, thank you all.